Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to monitor recent spendings on Nerdwallet. You want to keep a close eye on your daily expenses? Here's how to monitor your recent spendings on Nerdwallet so that you always know exactly where your money is going. Start by logging into your account at nerdwallet.com, and then from your dashboard you want to scroll to the section that's labeled spendings or click on the transactions tab. If you've already linked your bank account or credit cards, Nerdwallet will automatically pull in your most recent transactions. If not, go ahead and click link accounts and then just follow the prompt to connect your financial institution. Once your accounts are linked, you're going to see a chronological list of your most recent purchases, transfers, and payments, all updated in real time. Each transaction is auto-categorized into groups like groceries, bills, dining out, transportation, subscriptions. You can click on any transactions to view more details, including the dates, merchant's name, amount, and of course the linked account. To get a better visual overview, toggle over to the spending summaries or pie chart view. This shows what percentage of your total spendings went to each category this month. If you want to filter by date or account, just use the filter at the top to customize your view. With just a glance, you can stay in control of every dollar spent. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more NerdWallet tips that help you track smarter and spend wiser. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.